Virgo horoscope, Sunday, April 18, 2021. Subscribe my channel and press notification bell to all if you are new here. Virgo daily horoscope. You have been feeling like you are being pulled in different directions and you could not decide which way to go. These pulls will become even stronger today and taking a decision becomes even more difficult. You need to be careful while making a judgment because emotional or other external factors can interfere with your good sense today. It is better to postpone important decisions. Virgo health and wellness horoscope. You are being bothered by recurring but small health problems. Stop trying to treat your problems with over-the-counter medication, especially as the symptoms have now persisted for too long. You need to consult a medical professional to go to the root of the problem and get rid of this day-to-day irritation. Taking random medication will end up harming your health. Virgo daily love and relationship horoscope. Recently you have been negligent to all kinds of relationships in your life. But before it gets late, you must bridge up the gap. Your partner has stood by you in odd times, but somewhere you are not able to give him the same return. Do not be speculative of the flaws your partner possesses. You have not noticed while he has improved greatly. Virgo career and money horoscope. You have been receiving a lot of help from your co-workers. It is now time to return the favor. So, you are going to help somebody at the work today, and this will actually solidify your position in your office and will increase your popularity. While you may be working a little longer today, this is well worth the effort. Don't be afraid to lean on your friends today, Virgo. You're coming face to face with some difficult material in the dark recesses of your psyche, and it could be helpful to let other people in on your experience. Messenger Mercury merges with the Sun today, bringing important revelations in around relationship matters. The gentle Cancer moon encourages you to connect with your community. You're gaining an incredible amount of insight, so pay attention, Virgo. The Sun will join forces with your savvy planetary ruler, Mercury, in a Cazimi conjunction. It will shake up your erotic 8th house of intimacy, connection, energetic exchanges, and soulmate connections. Single or already attached, this is an opportunity for you to see what's behind the veil of a significant partnership, and perhaps become more acquainted with the foundation of the relationship. You need to open your heart if you're looking to merge with another mind, body, and soul. Today's square between the moon and the wounded healer, Chiron, is as cathartic as it is healing. Virgo, contract disputes can leave you feeling some stress today. You may have had intense budgetary and financial conversations recently. This bump in the road is due to the Aries Sun forming a connection with contractual Mercury in your 8th house of shared resources. Money from a loan or investment may be in question, and you must use your voice to express what you need for your business. Take the lead.